2, holding, pulsing, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold, bend your knee, elbow. Now back again, in, 4, 3, 2, next back and holding for pulsing, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold and in. Now down, bend, back, bend, down, bend, back, 3, bend, back, 2, bend, back, last, bend, back, and up, upright, hands in front of you, they facing each other your way, up the seat in 10 squat, elbows bend, bend, lift, elbows parallel, if not, triceps not working. Four more, 3 more, 2 more, last, up and in, slowly bring back in, bend other leg, and up, keeping tummy in, now right elbow, on, 5, squeeze armpit, if you don't squeeze your arm will be away from your body, squeeze straight back without bending the elbows, 4, 3, holding, now pulsing, 4, 3, 2, hold, one more set, 4, 3, 2, hold, bending elbows, standing back, in, again elbows, armpits, squeezing, not that, back, in, 4, in, 3, in, 2, more, 1 more, back holding, pulsing, 4, 3, 2, hold, bend again, down, up, back, down, lift, back, 4, bend, back, 3, bend, back, 2 more, back, 1 more, back, last, and now in front of you, big reaching up, keep tummy and back, up, 4, up, 3,